Welcome to Speak Up English. Ever moved into a new place and felt that awkward silence when you finally see your neighbors? You wave, they wave, and then nothing? Today, you'll learn how to confidently introduce yourself and turn those silent waves into real, friendly conversations. Let's make hello the start of something great. Scene. John just moved into a new apartment. Anna, his neighbor, sees him near the mailbox.
Oh, hi. You must be my neighbor, right?
Yes, I am. Hi there. Welcome to the building. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm John. I just moved in yesterday.
Happy to meet you, John. How's the unpacking going?
Honestly, it's messy. Boxes everywhere. I can't even find my socks.
Sounds like the true moving experience. But if you already found your coffee mug, you're doing great.
Actually, I did. Coffee mug first, clothes later. Priorities, right?
Absolutely. And welcome again. A good first impression really matters here. We're a friendly community.
That's great to hear. I always feel awkward meeting new neighbors. Sometimes I just say hello and then I don't know what else to say.
That happens to everyone. Most people stop at hello and the conversation ends. But adding one extra sentence makes a big difference. Like, hi, I just moved in yesterday. Or, hi, I'm new here. Simple but powerful.
Oh, so just more than hello. Got it. So what comes next after that?
Share one relatable detail about yourself. Something short but interesting.
Like what?
For example, I just moved from Tokyo, or I love cooking, but I don't have my kitchen set up yet. Something that invites a response.
Let me try. I just moved from Osaka and I'm still getting used to the quiet here.
That's perfect. Now I can ask, oh really? How do you like it so far? You gave me an easy way to continue.
I see. And I guess asking questions helps too?
Exactly. Use open-ended questions. Instead of asking, do you live here long? Ask, how long have you lived here? It invites a real answer.
Oh, so I'm asking for stories, not yes or no.
Exactly. And when they answer, listen with genuine interest. People appreciate good listeners.
So once the conversation starts, how do we keep it going?
Move into light, casual topics, something natural. For example, this building seems cozy. Is it quiet?
That does feel easy.
And a sincere compliment works well. Not fake, just real. Something like, your plants look beautiful, or you're always smiling when we meet.
Compliments, but honest ones.
Yes, and remember, different people have different comfort levels. Some neighbors love chatting, some prefer short greetings.
So read the vibe?
Exactly. Friendly, but not forceful.
What about offering help? I don't want to sound too pushy.
Offer gently. Say something like, if you need anything, feel free to ask. Or, I'm around if you ever need help with the area.
Oh, that sounds polite, but not too much.
And to invite future conversation, you can leave a light invitation, like maybe we can grab coffee sometime, or hope to chat again soon. And don't stay too long, right?
Correct. A smooth ending keeps the interaction comfortable. Try, I should let you get back to unpacking, but it was great meeting you.
Wow, that's a polite exit line. I love it. So, what's the friendly neighbor formula again? 1. Go beyond hello, add a personal detail.
2. Ask open-ended questions that invite stories.
3. Listen and respond genuinely.
4. Give sincere compliments to build rapport.
5. Offer help lightly and end the conversation gracefully.
That's like a secret strategy for being a great neighbor.
Exactly. And with practice, you'll go from awkward waves to friendly chats.
Well then, neighbor, would you like to grab coffee sometime?
You learned quickly. I'd love to.
Awesome. Now I'm actually feeling at home here.
Welcome to the neighborhood, John. If you want friendly English for real-life conversations, hit like, subscribe, and join us here at Speak Up English. Practice these simple neighborly phrases and watch your confidence grow. Remember, small talk can create big connections. See you next time, and keep speaking up.